So I'm just going to finish up this slide. I do want to move this down here and kind of replace these two texts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this background first, move this up here, select everything. Actually, I won't really need this, so I'm going to erase it. Bring this up here. Bring this down. And now I can add a background for it. So let's go to Elements. All right, send it back and play around with the transparency a little. The color definitely needs to change. So how about something close to white? A little darker. And this one, I want to do the same thing. And of course, I'm going to grab a font that I've used here. So the Mooly Bold. Okay, make it much larger. And I also want the numbers to pop out a little more. So and let's try maybe turning them into that green. Let's see, green with the shadow. It's very important that numbers really show through. Okay, with the bold, let's minimize it to see how it looks. No, I think the black is still a better option. Here we go. These guys. I'm just going to let that be, actually. And the background for this is quite nice. I like this. I'm going to move on for now, but you could always come back later. And I want to create a slide that's kind of showing my targeted markets as well. So who's the target audience? Let's see. Actually, I'm going to do this from scratch. I could use this template, but I'm going to do this for another roadmap. So let's just move that aside. I could use the same background maybe. Just going to come here, delete everything, bring it up here. Now, for this, I'm going to choose, let's see what I've starred. So I need a good photo. Target audience, maybe. These are a little too technical. I think I'm going to go with another agriculture picture. So come to Elements. Agriculture, photos. And I can choose one. Let's see, maybe I kind of would like something like this. Keep searching. This could work. I'm gonna leave it there for now. I really like this picture though. This could also be nice. But I'm gonna keep searching. This is a great picture, but it's for the pro. And remember, feel free to always bring photos from different websites as well. You could always do that. And I really like this picture, and thankfully I can save these for later because I don't want it to be too distracting. All right, I'm just gonna fit this to the page. And for the targeted market, I can kind of copy this to save time. Bring it down here and then customize it. So click away. Bring this to the center of the page. And make it like that. Targeted markets. I could even try it with the paper background, actually. So I'm gonna lower the transparency, send it back. It could work. I'm gonna try having the color block behind it to see if it would make more sense when I make it transparent. So send backward. And then let's play around with the transparency. Okay, that's better. So it's still brighter. Now I can decide whether I like this more or this one. Maybe for statistics, I'm just gonna keep a simple color. So I guess I deleted it. Let me bring it here again. Just come up here, copy, paste. You're constantly experimenting. You know, it has to be pleasing to the eye. It has to be what you want it to look like. So feel free to go back and forth. There we go. All right. Lower the transparency a little. All right. Now for the targeted market, I guess I don't need this many icons. I think 3 would be enough for me. So let me just zoom in. And I could get rid of these as well. Make them larger maybe. I'm actually going to go back and show you guys something that you could do for enlarging 3 shapes at the same time. So I'm just going to bring them, stack them on each other. Move this, group them, make them the size that I want them to be. So this is good, maybe a little larger. Okay. And then ungroup, click away, and you get 3 identical shapes. So this is a great trick to save you. So this is a great trick that'll save you some time. Now, let's try to line them up properly. Making sure this is right where I want it to be. All right. I might want to add another market later on if I thought of anything, so I'm not being too careful with the placement.